Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase photos on your iPhone. To begin, simply open your Photos app. Next, tap the Select button located in the top right corner of your screen. Now, you can easily tap on each photo you wish to remove. Once you've made your selections, just tap the small trash can icon at the bottom right. These photos will then be moved to your recently deleted album, a temporary holding spot. After moving photos to recently deleted, they aren't gone forever just yet. To permanently remove them, go to the Albums tab and scroll down to find Recently Deleted. Inside, you'll see all your recently removed items. Tap Select to choose specific photos you want to either recover or delete permanently. Remember, anything in this album will automatically be removed after 30 days if no action is taken. For deleting many photos at once, the Select option is your best friend. After tapping Select, you can quickly swipe your finger across multiple photos to highlight and choose them all simultaneously. If you need to remove an entire album, navigate to the Albums tab, tap See All, and then Edit. You can then delete the album, but be aware this will also remove all the photos and videos within it. Keeping your iPhone storage optimized is crucial. Make it a habit to regularly review and delete any photos or videos you no longer need. For even more space, consider enabling iCloud Photos, which stores full-resolution versions in the cloud while keeping smaller, optimized versions on your device. You can always check your current storage usage in your iPhone settings under General and then iPhone Storage. And remember, always back up important memories before permanent deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.